Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Our topic is SR flip-flop. So in the last session we have seen the 1-bit memory cell in the introduction of flip-flop. In the 1-bit memory cell, this was a circuit, right hand side of the line drawn. So input provision was not there. We were looking from the output side. Now we'll look from the input side. So when input is applied, how the value is stored in the position Q and Q bar. As we all know, there are two inputs, so you'll see input combinations and how the output changes as the input is varied. So there are two inputs, S and R, and output Q. So there will be definitely four combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. We will see one by one. When S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, both of the outputs will become 1 1, since S and R are 0 0. So both of the inputs are 1, the output of the NAND gates cannot be predicted, so they will behave as the 1-bit memory cell. Means whatever the value is stored in Q, that will be shown. It will behave as same as that of memory cell. So we can call output as previous state. What is the previous value is stored, that will be seen. So previous state or previous value. What about the second one? If S and R applied as 0 and 1, if S is equal to 0, this is definitely going to be get 1 and R is going to be get 0. When R is 1, output of R is 0. Definitely we can predict the output of this NAND gate. Therefore Q bar will be equal to 1 definitely. If Q bar is 1, both of the input to the first NAND gate are 1 1. Hence the output Q is going to be get 0. So definitely 0 value will be stored in Q. So here output will be 0. If you are going to make third input, that is nothing but S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0. Since S is equal to 1, the output will become 0 here, and for R this will be definitely 1 here. This is 1, the output of this NAND gate cannot be predicted, but S becomes 0, output of this NAND gate is predicted. Definitely one of the input is 0, then output Q will be going to be get 1. If Q is 1, that is fed back to the input of the second NAND gate. Therefore 1 1, output Q bar will become 0. Means definitely value 1 is stored at the position Q. Therefore 1 is stored. But what will happen if I will put S and R is equal to 1 1? Both of the input of the NAND gate is 1. Therefore S will become 0. R will become 0. Then this both the NAND gates will try to put the output Q is equal to 1 and Q bar is equal to 1, and this case is a contradiction to the basic three laws of the memory cell of the first law, which states that Q and Q bar should be always complementary to each other. So this cannot be the case. So I'll put a question mark here. Prohibited. This input is prohibited in SR flip-flop case.